Hey loves, so to begin this what I eat in a week, it's currently let me check the time. It's currently 11:50 a.m. Gosh guys, I had to do some cooking haul. So when I went to the shopping mall, we're not allowed to take our phones in, so I had to like secure it in that their special lock somewhere where you lock it with a key. So I was not able to like take some footages of myself in the mall. I don't get why. Like, I just don't get it. So yeah, I'll do some unboxing later on after I have breakfast. I'll be having chicken salad for breakfast today. Yeah, that's because I have not had it in quite a long time. That was when I was actually like home. So yeah. Guys, this is delicious. I just added some bit of banana for garnishing. It's about lunchtime and I'm having fried rice. It's about dinner time and we are making banana bread for dinner, so we need some fresh bananas, butter, vanilla essence, you need some nutmeg, fresh fruit, sugar, some fresh raw eggs, then you need baking powder. So let's begin. Every time you need me, I'm telling you I'm here to stay. But looking at your castle, I'm pretty sure you're safe, but still afraid. I'm walking in your garden, knowing what you're dreaming of, past the copper statues of everyone you've ever loved. Lower down the bridge and let me in. Will you? You'll never get to know me from within. Will you? So guys, I'm about to do the tasting and yeah, it came out just like I wanted, moist with a lot of texture. Yeah, let's have a bite together. This tastes so delicious, like so delicious. Just in case you're going to try this recipe, kindly give me a feedback in the comment section. Having it with some milk. This is a perfect dinner for anybody. Hey guys, so it's currently the next day and I just came back from extra shopping. So yeah, we're going to do some unboxing together, shall we? Young, and we didn't want to be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never. I'm about to have lunch, so let's dig into this. This is a bundle of joy right here. this is my breaky bowl, and I'm about to have a taste. I hope this is delicious because I usually do not taste my food when I'm cooking. I don't know. It's like I have this estimated measurement in my head. I really did not expect less.
My dreams I pick you up. I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles. Wanna drown. What do you mean God gave me two left feet? Shooting me glares from the passenger seat. Come on baby, we got all dressed up. Won't you dance with me? Why, baby, why do you give me trouble? Trying to hide is not to be seen. But I know you mean well, step on my feet. Come and dance with me. Well, come on and try to have a good time. There's a punch bowl, but you brought red wine. Come on, baby, show me what's a good time. Why, baby, why? Why must